My name is Erwin S. Agustin, 26 years old, currently living in Poblacion, Sual, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am the eldest of the three children of Mr. and Mrs. Ernesto Agustin. I am a single and a Roman Catholic. I graduated Bachelor in Electrical Technology in Pangasinan State University, Lingayen, Pangasinan. I am a registered master electrician and in situ holder in electrical installation and maintenance. I am electrician of more than 5 years of hands-on experience in installing, maintaining, and troubleshooting electrical systems. My main areas of expertise are electrical wiring, troubleshooting, installation of control panels, motor control installation and maintenance, and I have also experience in cable pulling, electrical motor and pumps installation, low to medium voltage electricity, power distribution. I have also knowledge in installation and testing of transformers and operating of diesel generators. And now, I am currently working as electrical supervisor in Baybay Aquaventure Corp here in Pangasinan. And thank you.